Hey everyone, and welcome to Klumbox. Picture this, it's the year 2025, and the world's economy has just hit a new high. Financial experts predict that 5 million new millionaires will emerge. That's right, 5 million. Now, here's the real question. Are you going to be one of them? Or will you be watching from the sidelines, wondering how they did it? Hey, Klumbox thinkers, welcome back. If you're new here, consider this video your official invitation to join the Klumbox thinkers community. We're all about lifting each other up, sharing big ideas, and figuring out how to get ahead together. Why now is the time to act? So, what's driving this millionaire boom? Well, two things are happening simultaneously. Number one, the rise of technology. AI, blockchain, and digital tools are making it easier than ever to create wealth. Just think about it. People are using their phones to build businesses in their bedrooms. Number two, the digital economy. Entire industries are shifting online. From digital marketing to crypto trading to e-commerce, opportunities are everywhere. And guess what? It doesn't matter where you come from. If you've got Wi-Fi, you've got a shot. Here's the kicker. This moment in history is so big that if you're paying attention, you could change your life in the next 12 months. The millionaire mindset and why most people miss it. Let's get real for a second. Most people don't fail because they're lazy or untalented. They fail because they're playing the wrong game. Imagine trying to win a football match while wearing hockey skates. It doesn't matter how good you are, you're not set up to succeed. The first step. Shift your mindset. Millionaires don't just chase money, they solve problems. They look for gaps in the market and ask themselves, how can I make life easier, faster, or better for someone? Quick story. Have you heard of Sarah Blakely? She's the founder of Spanx and became a billionaire by solving one simple problem, making women's clothing more comfortable. No fancy degree, no massive starting capital. Just one great idea and the courage to run with it. Here's what you need to know to stand out in 2025. All right, let's dive into the strategies. Becoming one of those 5 million millionaires isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. 1. Learn high-demand skills. Forget the old advice about following your passion if it doesn't pay. Instead, follow what's in demand. Coding, graphic design, social media marketing, and copywriting are all skills you can learn online, often for free. Click the card up there to watch one of our videos on high-income skills you should learn in 2025. 2. Leverage technology. AI is no longer some sci-fi concept, it's a tool you can use today. Businesses need people who can harness AI for content creation, data analysis, and automation. If you're not using it, you're falling behind. 3. Invest in yourself. Now, this one might sound cheesy, but hear me out. When you invest in books, courses, or mentors, you're essentially buying time. Instead of spending 10 years figuring it out, you're learning from someone who already has. And you might ask, but what if I fail? Let's talk about fear for a second. You might be thinking, what if I try and fail and here's my response? So what? Every millionaire has failed, probably more times than they can count. I'll let you in on a little secret. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the process. It's like going to the gym. The more reps you do, the stronger you get. Sure, it's uncomfortable, but would you rather be uncomfortable for a little while or stuck forever? Here's a question for you. What's the worst that could happen if you gave it your all? Let me know in the comments. Now, this is why most people will miss this opportunity. Okay, time for some tough love. Most people won't become millionaires in 2025 not because they can't, but because they won't. They'll get distracted by TikTok, Netflix, or whatever shiny new trend pops up. If you want to be part of the 5 million, you need to start seeing your time as your biggest asset. Every hour you spend learning, building, or creating is an hour invested in your future. Think of your time like planting seeds. Sure, it might not look like much now, but give it 6 months, a year, or 2 years and you'll have an orchard. It's not just about money. One last thing, Klumbox thinkers, being a millionaire isn't just about the number in your bank account. It's about freedom. Freedom to travel, to help your family, to spend your time how you want. Imagine waking up every day knowing you don't have to clock in at a job you hate. That's the real prize here. Money is just the tool that gets you there. Are you ready to join the movement? So will you be one of the 5 million? It's up to you. No one's going to hand you the blueprint, but if you're willing to show up, learn and take risks, the possibilities are endless. I'll leave you with this. What's one thing you can do today to move closer to your goals? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to join the Klumbox Thinkers. We're all about sharing ideas and building each other up.